Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to share how to remove the top section, the storage section from Subaru Liberty between 2003 and 2009 model. And this one actually has the dual air vent here, and also it has one clock over here. And this one comes with the Macintosh sound system as well, but we are talking about removing the top section, which is the storage and the clock and air vent. It's pretty simple, but we need to be very careful because the car has a special dashboard frame here, which after years it actually will be very tricky. This one is kind of the material that if you touch it hard it will peel off, just like a piece of building construction material thing, something like this one is kind of the rubber plastic kind of mixture of that thing. So after years the weather thing, it turned into sticky a little bit surface and easy to be broken by itself, and if it's broken it just looks very ugly. So we need to simplify. We need a very slim small plastic removal tool, which is this kind of thing. You can use a similar way, but make sure you have a very slim lift in the front, very slim lift, okay, like this. And we need a bigger one, strong, very strong plastic removal tool, okay, like this. So basically what we did here is we slide the slim lift very gently, slide in very gentle, and when you push it in you try to push it up a little bit, just very gentle over here, and it actually will create a little bit gap over there, enough to slide the bigger one into that into that gap. Make sure that you won't lean the plastic clip removal tool here down to the dashboard, because if you lean it down to the dash it actually will make the mark or make the broken piece of the dash. As I mentioned, it's very easy to be broken now. So very gently slide like this, okay, and then you push it up, push it upward, and then leave it there, okay, and slide the big one in, slide in, and then you put this one toward the body direction. So push this one toward the body direction, so actually it will lift this part up, okay, on the right side up. And then you do the same thing for the left side. Gently slide this slim lift inside and just lift it up a little bit, and it can give a little gap, and then you slide the big one in, the strong one, and then you see this, push it in, and then you pull it toward the body, and basically the left will come up and the right will come up, and it will come up like half first at the bottom. And the same thing you do is apply the small one on the top first, slightly go in and then create a little gap, and then you put the big one in and push it down, the big one, push it down, and then you push it toward the body direction, and then it will bring the top out. So yeah, very simple like that. And then this one will come out, and gently you just pull it out, and if you have the clock here, just disconnect the cable at the bottom, and then the whole set on the top will come out like this, which the white cable here is for the clock on the top. So yeah, you can see it's just the plastic clip to hold the air vent and the storage. That's the way we remove the top section. So yeah, be gentle and don't damage the dashboard. And thanks again for watching. So we are doing the upgrade system for this car and keep using the Macintosh. So see you soon in another video.